Gun just turned real. What? Holy crap. Dude, gun just turned real.
My freaking handprints are on there.
Yeah. Dude, what the heck? Whoa.
Really?
Yeah, that's
So freaking weak.
Dude, you're such a dork.
Yeah, right.
Dude, our gun just turned real. Girls screaming. What do you think that means? I mean, that sounds like Nazi zombies, but it's not Sino Numa Derice or anything. Zombies! Holy crap!
No!
Oh gosh! Dude, shoot him! Holy crap, you suck, man! Hit him! Ah! Will you die already, stupid zombie? Oh yeah! Oh!
Yeah! Oh yeah.
Where's Mystery Box?
Over here, look, man. No,
Oh,
let's get you the ray gun.
Oh, I see.
Like, totally.
Okay. Okay, you go
Lay
first.
down, unite, come back up, lay down, do a push-up 2 times. Ray gun.
Oh my god, zombie! Let me try. Holy
Wait.
crap. Dude, that's a bunch of guns. It's almost too many. Okay. I want to try. Woo! Woo! You're freaking...
Suck, man.
Ow! You hit my finger.
Who's the man now?
Oh, PPSH.
Fine, you suck.
Woo!
Oh yeah, ray gun.
Ain't no ray gun, that's a 357 smart watch.
357 ray gun.
Alright, ready? Wonder Waffle! Woo! Let's go! Oh my god!
I'm gonna trade my gun.
Dude, we gotta get out of here. Zombies are coming back to life. Crap! I just traded my gun. Holy crap. Dude, this is rough. Dude, is that gunfire in the distance? Dude.
Freaking kidding me, I just lost my ray gun.
Ah! Revive me! Revive me!
Oh yeah.
Man up! Revive me! Oh, okay. Ah! You're still